Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great. So in today's video I want to make this gel as hair treatment. If you want to see how I make this gel, watch to the end. So as you can see, I have my okra here. I will put the okra inside this bowl. Then I will put 2 cups of water to raise the okra before I will slice it. So here I have my fresh rosemary. If you still have dry rosemary, you can add yours. So it's optional. Is that what you have at all? So after slicing the okra, I have my pot here. I will pour everything inside here, add 2 cups of water or even more. It depends how the quantity of the gel you want. Then I will on my gas with low heat. I will start stir. Then before I will add my rosemary. So this is my rosemary. I will add this rosemary, stir for about few minutes, then I will off the gas. So this is how I make my gel. Very easy to make. Then I have my filter here. I will separate the okra for the gel. So here, then I will use my hand to just feel it to see how slimy the gel is. Before I will pour the gel inside this rubber bottle, then I will leave it here to cool down. Do not put your gel inside rubber bottle when your gel is still very hot. Okay. So this is the hair that I will be using this gel as treatment. This hair is already washed. Then I used it there. Let us finish this video together. So friends, let me tell you the reason I use this okra as hair treatment. A lot of nutrients. It has vitamin C, vitamin A, and it moisturizes hair very well. It also detangles hair. If you have dry hair, I will recommend you to use okra as hair treatment. It's very good for hair. One thing that I notice about rosemary, it also resists weather very well. I have this rosemary for my guidey. When cold will come, it will dey. I used to tell you, say, this rosemary is really good. I think it's not only for hair, you can still also use it to garnish your food, to spices your food. I don't know if you can also still boil it and just drink it like that. I don't know. Maybe I will try it one day. Who knows? Just add some lemon inside. So rosemary is very good for hair. It helps hair growth, and it also stops dandruff and add extra shine to your hair. So that is how powerful rosemary is. So after applying the gel, this is my oil. If you want to see, I will put the link here, then it will pop out. Just click it so that you will just go there. You can see how I make this my oil for hair growth. Then I will just put small one in my pan to apply for the hair. Just look at the hair, very soft, shine, moisturize. So I will not wash the gel out, we just leave it as hair treatment. So beauty, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.